Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Inge. I'm from 12 Science Street number 17. In here, I want to tell you about how to make sweet martabak. Sweet martabak is one of typical food of Bangka. Sweet martabak is generally made from flour and eggs. Sweet martabak is highly by many people. Okay, let's move on to the manufacturing process.
First, prepare the tools and material need. This is the tools need. Teflon, mixer, bowl, spoon, brush, knife, cheese grater, spatula silicone, and wipe cloth. And this is the material need. (2,000 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 27 of powder milk, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon vanilla, 15 grams butter, 200 milliliter water. These are the topping I use. Sweet condensed milk, chocolate mixes, and cheese. Put 1 egg in a bowl. Beat the eggs using a mixer until the color changes. If there has been a change in color, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Shake again until well blended. When it is mixed, add 2,000 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 27 grams of powdered milk. Shake all ingredients again, adding a little water at a time. If the dough is well blended, let stand for about 30 minutes and cover it with a cloth. While waiting for the dough, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. If it's 30 minutes, put the melt butter into the dough and stir the dough until evenly distributed. Start heating the teflon with rubbing a wet butter so that the sweet martabak is not sticky when it will be removed. If it's hot, put the dough into teflon. and wait for bubbles to appear. If the bubbles start to appear, sprinkle with a little sugar. Cover the teflon and wait for the sweet martabak to ripen. Remove the cooked martabak and spread with butter on top to add a little fragrant aroma. If you have sprinkled martabak with chocolate sprinkles, grated cheese, and sweet condensed milk as a topping. Cut the sweet martabak according to each taste. Sweet martabak is ready to be served.